when we are doing lens tuning. We can actually use the table key to set a target lens directly. Of course, you can also go into the rule beforehand and set up the lens range you need. On top of that, things like the corner spacing and the minimum amplitude can also be adjusted right here. So, where do we usually apply lens tuning? A common case is with high-speed signals, like differential pairs or clock lines. This signal needs to stay synchronized, and if the trace lengths differ too much, you will get inconsistent delays, which can affect the stability of the whole circuit. That's why when routing, we use lens tuning to make up the difference and keep the traces within a similar range. Another example is with bus interface. Take DDR or LVDS. For instance, they usually require very strict lens matching. In this case, we first finish the basic routing and then use lens tuning to fine-tune the traces. That way, we can make sure the electrical performance is solid and also save ourselves a lot of debugging work later on.